A lot of ruckus reported in the municipal corporation meeting in Chandigarh. There was a lot of scuffle between the councillors. Councillors were seen fighting in the house. Nominated councillor Anil Masi being called a vote thief. Matter has gotten heated. In fact, the scuffle that continues. Anil Masi has come to the well of the house saying that Rahul Gandhi is also on bail. Here's a ruckus in Chandigarh municipal corporation meet. And it's certainly gotten unruly and out of hand. Let me quickly bring in Kamaljeet joining us for more on that. Kamaljeet, detail for us, how did this issue go out of hand and what's the situation right now?
Just a month before the municipal corporation elections of Chandigarh, there's a controversy with Anil Masi again breaking out. Now, last time around, remember, there were viral video of his obviously giving that sort of support to BJP. But this time around, when there was a meeting of municipal corporation, there were a lot of people who were carrying placards, especially one calling him out a thief, a vote thief as such. And obviously, in a heated moment, there was a scuffle which broke out. Now the mayor is saying that they will take action. It's likely a suspension in a couple of minutes or hours. But they are also saying that this is simply not done. That actually it was Anil Masi who was acting out of line while they were actually seriously debating other things. On the other hand, Anil Masi is saying he's being targeted deliberately, that the matter is sub judice. Meanwhile, is the Aam Aadmi Party as well as the Congress who've been calling him out, calling him names, and this is simply not done and simply not acceptable. This is the tutu meme which is really happening, but clearly the crux is that the elections are a month away, and at this point of time, the BJP coming to the defense of Anil Masi, but it seems there is already a ruckus which is taking place. But remember, this man has been in the eye of the storm. He's also claimed that he's being a minority member, and that is why he's being targeted. So obviously, it's not just a full blow of sorts, but this is obviously a confrontation which is taking place at a crucial juncture where elections are a month away and there are high stakes for all political parties.
Kamaljeet, stay with us. In fact, for our viewers, I'd like to raise the volume of this video here that we have. Unfortunate scenes, ruckus in the parliament, the municipal corporation meeting that's currently underway. Listen in. So that's the Chandigarh Municipal Corporation, a meeting that's really gotten unruly, a lot of scuffle between the councillors. Councillors seen fighting inside the house. Nominated councillor Anil Masi was being called a vote thief, and he's come down to the well saying Rahul Gandhi is currently also on bail. To raise Rahul Gandhi's name, Kamaljeet, give us more context to that. Anil Masi raising Rahul Gandhi's bail issue while he's being criticized.
So not just Rahul Gandhi, he also mentioned Arvind Kejriwal. He also mentioned many of the Aam Aadmi Party leaders. So obviously this has turned out to a verbal brawl of sorts, of tutu meme really ensuing. At this point of time, it became a heated scuffle of sorts, and that is why there had to be a break in the municipal corporation. And when they stepped out, there were a lot of angry words against each other. And obviously the Aam Aadmi Party, supported by the Congress, have been saying there has to be an action against Anil Masi. He's completely out of line. Anil Masi is saying he's being targeted. This is a matter which is sub judice, that their own leaders, the leaders of Aam Aadmi Party and the Congress, are obviously also tainted in a certain sense, and that they can't point fingers towards him. So this is where things really stand at this point of time. But as I mentioned to you, the context really is that the elections of municipal corporation are just a month away. So this is something which is expected. But obviously, a lot of people saying this is a man who's been in the eye of the controversy. He's the one who's been actually responsible for the scuffle. Many obviously also calling him mentally unstable. On the other hand, Anil Masih says he's under the PGI doctor's prescription. He's been medicated. He's been told to be there, and he says that he cannot be called out simply because of this. So this is where things really stand. Things getting heated up at this point of time. Before the crucial elections, remember, even though North India elections may simply be over, the municipal corporation is a very heated sort of an election, and that's what we saw last year also, where Anil Masih, who's a nominated member. Now, many in the Aam Aadmi Party and the Congress saying a nominated member cannot be biased as how Anil Masih is acting like, and he's also being supported by the BJP at this point of time, which clearly makes him a BJP man and not a neutral man.
Thanks very much, Kamaljeet, for joining us with those details. We will continue tracking that story.